Okay, here's the fan. You get a nice, easy to read facing there. I guess I don't know if it's a facing or not, but where you control it, you can control panel there. Now we're going to turn it on. And that is on high. There you go. You can hear it's fairly quiet. And it is really blowing. Actually, it's blowing nicely. You can adjust this. Go up or down. Face it however you want. Like that. You have this button here where you hit it and your lights go out. So if you're running it at night, the little lights don't bother you while you're sleeping. Turn it back on. You can lock it in and you can oscillate it. Oscillate. It actually blows pretty good. Nice turn in there. And it does come with a remote to control everything with. It's fairly movable, lightweight to move, not very heavy. But boy, it does have some nice cold air coming out of there. And it's pretty quiet. I like this thing. Yeah, this is a nice fan. There you go, it's oscillating. And yeah, I like it. That's on high, it's very quiet. It comes with a remote. And it's going to help out this summer, that's for sure.